Woo-wee! Look at that pretty woman right there. I'm talking about the one on the right, not the one on the left, y'all. Alright, y'all. I got unloaded this morning, and now I got me a load running from Edgerton, Kansas, headed on to Olney, Illinois. It is a Walmart load. But good thing is, I'm loading at a Hostess distribution center in Edgerton today, as soon as I get there, and it delivers tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. So at least it delivers first thing in the morning. That's a good thing. Hopefully they can get me in and out of Walmart quick to get me something else to get me rolling. Doesn't pay too bad. Pays $1,200. It's only 430 total miles. So that ain't bad. We'll deal with it. Anyway, y'all, let's get this day started. We are here at Hostess. Supposedly I'm getting me 30,000 pounds of cookies. Gotta have the cookies, y'all. Kind of like Limp Bizkit, you know, Limp Bizkit. He did it all for the nookie, you know, the nookie. Come on, get that cookie. Got some employees out here chilling out. Hopefully it won't take long to get loaded. But, you know, we shall see. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, Marcus? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get on up here, check in, and see how hopefully we can get it right in the dock, because there's a couple trucks over here parked. So I've seen some drop trailers, some not, so we shall see, y'all. We'll be back. But the one thing I had to say I do like about this place, you know what they did? I'll show you. They have tables of goodness that they give you, y'all. Donuts. We have donuts, glazed mini donuts. We have Texas cinnamon buns. I mean, come on. How can you not enjoy a place where you can come and they have tables full of this stuff for the drivers to grab a handful? I saw drivers walking out with 2 bags and 2 of these at one time, but I just grabbed a bag and a bag. But I am thinking about when I go back in there to get my bills, grabbing another bag and a bag. Like I said, I saw drivers walking out with freaking handfuls of this mess. I mean, they literally have tables of this stuff given away. How can you not love a place like that? We are watching the trucks do the rope-a-dope. We're doing the rope-a-dope. We are here getting loaded. We got that red light, green system going on up here. They tell you on the sign, they actually don't tell you anything. I mean, they don't tell you a thing, but you look for that light, y'all. But they have a sign up there that says we on the red system. You back in the door when you get a freaking green light, red, green, and you get a green light, you pull back out. That's it. So hopefully everything's cool. Hopefully we don't have any problems. And hope this guy ain't backing next to me, because I'm actually a little cocked over. Oh, no, he's loaded. Ooh, look at that. He got a whole truckload. All right, everybody, look at there. We have a green light. Now we're gonna come on down here. right, y'all, we're gonna come on down here. We're gonna get some paperwork. This fella here, he's already got his paperwork. He already got his thing sealed. We're supposed to have at least 2 straps or load locks. I actually have load locks, 4 of them, but I do have straps too. So if the straps aren't good enough for them, then hey, I'll put the load locks in. It's all good. Oh, he got a little doggy thing up in his window. But yes, y'all, we come up here, we get our paperwork. I didn't want to drive here and then block here and have to worry about blocking in front of everybody, so I decided I'd just walk up here. It's all good. But yes, let's come in here, let's get our paperwork, then we'll use the bathroom, and then we'll jet on out here, y'all. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Ladies hanging out here chilling. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-dah, doo-dah. We'll show you all that goodness, y'all. Wow, look at all the goodness. Twinkies, Singers, donuts. Sweet. All right, everybody. We're here. We got Thorbug sitting on my laptop. Look what we got. Another thing of donuts and a thing of zingers. So, we are set. We're going to pull this bad boy forward. We're going to pull out here because since somebody backed up beside me now, I can't close my doors with him there. So I will actually pull out here and do it. Broker called me while I was trying to pull out or walking back to the truck, so I was walking in the building. But we have our paperwork. We are looking at only 49,000 or 29,000 in weight, so that is freaking cool. I can deal with 29,000. That's freaking light. Nothing wrong with light, you know what I'm saying? Be like Marcus, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna be my new catchphrase, y'all, know what I'm saying? So we're gonna jump on out here. We're gonna get these doors closed, and you know, we're gonna do that thing. It's all about doing the thing, you know what I mean? It's all about doing that thing. So let's get this all done and let's seal this bad boy. The straps and all should be in the trailer. Hopefully they use the straps. They made me give 2 straps, so I guess we'll find out in a minute. We shall find out in a minute, folks. Whoosh. Oh yeah, they used my straps. They used them. But y'all look at that. Oh, fudge brownie cookies. It is all a whole bunch load of cookies. Okay, now they crushed that. So it's in my video here, y'all, where they crushed the box. They did it themselves because I didn't put the strap on there. So we gonna take a picture just to be on the safe side. I want to get a picture of that. So if Walmart says something, my butt's covered. I know what I'm saying? Because they're not gonna get me and say that I put the strap on, because at least my video on my GoPro here will show me actually walking up to it, just in case. Doo-dah, doo-dah. I want to make sure I am covered, y'all. So this way they can't come back on me and say I did it. And plus I'll have the video evidence here showing me pulling forward out of the dock and walking up to the trailer and showing it. So I will definitely keep this video until after tomorrow. That way I'm guaranteed to be in the good. Like I say, because they are not going to come back on me and say that I did this. Oh, sir. I ain't having that bullshit. I ain't going to go out like that. So, it's all about trying to make sure you cover your butt when you do this stuff. Because they can turn around and say, I put the straps on. and that it's my fault. Well, I don't want to have that happen on me. So, boo-da, doo-da, that's close enough. Release the brake. We're gonna check this, give it a tug test. Yep, we're good. Check it this way, make sure we're good. And she's in there. All right, y'all. Now guess what? It's time to go. But let's get on down the road. We'll see what happens.
Till he taught her how to shoot. And Daddy didn't play no games, wouldn't let her trade her name for a fake I do. Boy, you better know